Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and making quick hardware checks. Remove lens caps, detach straps if they obstruct the hot shoe, and verify batteries are at least half charged so the flash recycles reliably. Once done, identify whether your camera uses TTL pins or a standard ISO hot shoe. You may need an adapter. Make sure the hot shoe and flash contacts are clean and undamaged so the electrical interface will work when you mount the flash. You now mount the flash firmly into the hot shoe and engage the lock or lever so it won't wobble. Next, choose a flash mode. TTL if you want the camera to meter automatically, manual if you need predictable power, or multi for high-speed strobe. Then make sure the camera's built-in flash is disabled, set the shutter sync speed to the recommended value or slower, and pick an exposure mode that matches your workflow so the flash and camera communicate correctly. You finish by taking a sequence of test shots. Vary flash power and shutter speed to see how the output affects exposure, and monitor recycle time so you don't miss frames. If you're using a remote trigger, double-check channel and group settings and ensure radio pairing or line of sight for optical slaves. If something fails, first reseat the flash and recheck batteries, then confirm sync speed and firmware compatibility. This single troubleshooting step fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.